Are doing well. So yes, I'm over here doing some business, about to package an order. So you guys asked me to do some behind the scenes on how I do things, you know, as far as my business goes and all that. So I was like, why not? So all right, so let me go ahead and put this camera down and show you guys. Okay, so I just finished doing a hoodie. I guess I can show you. I'll show you guys. Verse is one of my favorite Bible verses, and I was like, you know what, a lot of women and girls all around the world need to realize that God is with them as well. So why not come up with a way for people to represent it and to show off that God is within them? So I was like, oh yeah, it personally is one of my favorite Bible verses, so I love it. So yeah, I'm just waiting for it to cool down. I've been looking and trying not to mess with it too much because I told you I'm just like a perfectionist, but I love it. It looks really good. I just want to make sure it's perfectly centered, make sure it's not too small, not too big and all that, and it looks so good. That's what I've been doing, but it looks good and it's ready to go. But before is preparing and getting settled and everything, I guess I want to show you guys some of the things that I have just in case you have a business. So if you have a business yourself, let me know down below. And also I just want to share like some things that I have as far as packaging, because like I said, when I started this, I didn't have much money. I'm not, you know, I'm not partnered with big companies as far as like packaging goes. I just utilized what was within my budget, because one thing I'm learning is what you have is all you need. And as you continue to work hard, you continue to invest back in your business. So I just have a few things that I use and that I am excited to use for my business. So I got my hair, everything that I talk about will be linked down below just in case you're interested. So I have my tag gun here. I got this off of Amazon. So once it's cool off, then I'll put my tags on here. So I have two different tags. I have these tags. I'll show you guys. I have one for my apparel and one for my hair. So because I told you guys I sell hair as well within my shop. So this is my tag for my shop. Hell, it's so pretty, I love it. And then I'll write down the style, the size, and what color it is. So whenever somebody buys something, like as far as me making it or from what I'm about to be launching soon, then this is the tag I'll use just so that way you know what size, what the style is. So this is the box that I got created and designed for my shop. So this is the name of my shop on here, and then you open it and it says, hey girl, hey. So whenever you do order something, make sure you look at that just so that way you can know that I'm saying hi to you in the box. So I have some decorated gift fillers here that I'm just gonna put inside the box. And then I'm going to wrap everything around here. And then for my hair, I have, I'll show you. If you order hair or a wig, it will come in this. Of course, I have everything hair netted and stuff, which I have over there. But you'll get your bundles and your wig in this beautiful soft bag. Also have thank you cards. I love it. I'm just so obsessed with it. Oh my gosh. If you buy something, you will get a 20% code to use the next time you decide to shop. I can't believe I'm doing this. Where they do that at? And then I have my apparel care, so you'll get how to take care of your apparel, and also with care cards as well. The more I do research, the more I'm sure I'll invest in. But right now, I think I have everything that I need, and God is he's just so good. He's just been providing, y'all. Y'all just don't understand, honey. So yeah, let me get this thing packaged up, and yeah. I'm glad I'm talking to myself out loud, but I need to order tags because I bought some paper to iron on like my logo onto my apparel, but I don't know if I want to do that. So I'm gonna put in an order for tags, so that way I can sew it on, like, you know, like tags like this. I can sew it on, and you know, just look more aesthetically pleasing. Is some stickers, like some stickers too. Like when I fold my stuff, I want to be able to like keep it closed. I guess that's the beauty of having your own business. You realize what you need, and then you take the necessary actions to get it. Just trying to make sure I don't crinkle it up too much. Storming a lot lately. I have these poly mailers to put over it. Make sure the boxes get protected, so I bought these poly mailers to put over it. It is pretty much ready to go, so I'm about to just tuck in all the tabs and stuff, make sure everything looks good. I might have to order bigger boxes for hoodies. Hoodies are, you know, hoodies are thick material, and I just want to make sure that it fits comfortably in a box. So 3 things I just talked to myself about. I need to write that down and make sure I get it taken care of tonight. But it's so yeah, I'm super excited. But if you're interested in anything from my shop, I will leave the link down below, or you can go right here. It's the ccwshop.com. I am super excited for what I'm about to launch next, you guys. Like, y'all gotta make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow the make sure you subscribe to the newsletter, because I want to communicate with people via emails to keep them in the know of all the launches. But y'all, like, I'm super excited. Like, I'm super excited. I'm super excited, and I just cannot wait to finish up this package, and then I have to go mail it off. Then we have to get ready to go to Maddie. They're having a graduation parade for the kinder kids because they couldn't graduate, so they're doing something nice for the kids. So we gotta get ready for that, and then enjoy the rest of the day. So I hope you guys enjoy this moment. Like I said, if you guys would like to see more of this, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. So I'll holler at you guys later.